Have you ever wondered how some people seem to effortlessly achieve their goals while others struggle for years with little success? The difference isn't luck or natural talent, it's the power of focused intention and visualization. Visualization is the practice of using your mind to imagine and picture the outcomes you want in life. When done correctly, it can help you turn your deepest desires into reality. The secret behind its power lies in your ability to focus your thoughts and emotions toward a specific outcome. The mind is more powerful than we often give it credit for. Everything that exists in your life, from your relationships to your career, began as a thought or belief. Visualization taps into this creative potential by allowing you to mentally rehearse your desired future until it feels real. By vividly imagining your desired outcome, you are training your subconscious mind to align with it. This isn't about daydreaming, it's about creating a mental image so clear and strong that it begins to affect your thoughts, actions, and behaviors. In time, these thoughts influence the circumstances and opportunities around you. But why is visualization so powerful? When you consistently picture your goals, your brain interprets this mental image as reality. It triggers emotions, actions, and behaviors that are in alignment with your desired outcome. Whether you want to improve your finances, health, or relationships, the process is the same. Visualization helps you harness the energy of your mind and focus it on what you truly want. The result? You attract the right situations, people, and opportunities to make that vision a reality. This brings us to the secret of the 3-day visualization technique. Why 3 days? The method is designed to give you just enough time to fully immerse yourself in the practice without feeling overwhelmed or discouraged. It's a focused, short-term commitment that allows you to see quick results while building the momentum needed for lasting change. You might be wondering why 3 days are enough to make a real difference. The answer lies in the power of concentrated effort. Unlike long-term goals that can feel overwhelming, the 3-day method works because it provides a clear, manageable time frame. For 3 days, you'll commit to visualizing your desire with full intensity and focus. This consistency is key because the mind responds best to repetition. Over time, repeated thoughts and images begin to influence your subconscious mind, which in turn affects your behavior and decisions. The science behind visualization is linked to how the brain processes thoughts and experiences. When you visualize something, your brain treats it as if it's actually happening. This means the emotional response you generate from picturing your desired outcome can create a strong mental and emotional connection to your goal. By focusing on this image for 3 consecutive days, you're essentially training your brain to believe that what you're visualizing is already on its way to you. This belief is what creates a shift in your mindset and leads to real changes in your life. During these 3 days, you'll be concentrating your mental energy on a single goal or desire. Think of it as focusing the rays of the sun through a magnifying glass. When concentrated, that energy becomes powerful enough to ignite change. By dedicating yourself to this practice for a short period, you avoid burnout or frustration, both of which are common when people try to maintain long-term visualization practices without seeing results. Another reason the 3-day method is so effective is that it keeps you fully engaged with the process. Since you know it's only 3 days, you're more likely to put your full effort into the visualization sessions instead of letting your mind wander or getting distracted. The shorter time frame makes it easier to stay motivated, and as you see the mental and emotional shifts happening, your confidence grows. It's important to remember that while the method is designed to show results in 3 days, the changes you experience during this time are only the beginning. The real power comes from how you continue to integrate this focused mindset into your daily life after the 3 days. This method is not a quick fix or a one-time solution. It's a way to initiate momentum toward your desires. After the initial 3 days, you may find that your actions, thoughts and decisions begin to naturally align with the vision you've created. In short, the 3-day method works because it forces your mind to adopt a new pattern of thinking, one that is centered on belief, focus, and positive expectation. Before beginning the visualization process, the most important step is setting clear and specific intentions. This means you need to have a clear picture of what you truly want to achieve. It's common for people to have vague desires, but for visualization to work effectively, you need to get specific. Simply wanting a better life, more money, or better relationships is too general. You must define exactly what better means to you. For instance, if your goal is related to your career, ask yourself what kind of job you're seeking, the role you want, the salary you wish to earn, and the environment you want to work in. Clarity is essential because your mind works best when it knows exactly what to focus on. When your goal is well defined, it gives your brain a clear direction, making the visualization process more effective. To help with this, take some time before starting the visualization to write down your intention in as much detail as possible. Be specific and concise, focusing on one goal at a time. This allows you to direct all your energy toward one clear outcome. Another key aspect of setting clear intentions is connecting emotionally with your goal. Visualization is not just about creating a mental picture, it's also about experiencing the emotions associated with that image. For the visualization to be successful, you need to feel the emotions that come with achieving your goal, whether it's joy, satisfaction, relief, or excitement. The emotional connection you create is what makes the visualization feel real to your brain. So, when setting your intentions, make sure you think about how achieving your goal will make you feel and incorporate those emotions into the process. One thing to keep in mind is that your intentions should be realistic and attainable. While it's important to dream big, your visualization should focus on something you believe is possible. If your goal feels too far out of reach, your mind may struggle to stay focused and doubts might creep in. It's about finding a balance between aiming high and believing that your goal can be achieved. Once you've set your clear intention, you're ready to move on to the next stage, preparing your mind for the visualization process. Once you've established a clear intention, the next step is to prepare your mind for visualization. This is a crucial part of the process because your mind needs to be calm, focused, and open to the visualization experience. If your mind is cluttered with distractions, doubts, or stress, it will be difficult to concentrate on your goal. To begin, find a quiet place where you won't be disturbed. This could be a specific room in your home or simply a spot where you feel comfortable and relaxed. The environment you choose should allow you to focus fully on the visualization without interruptions. Before starting the visualization, take a few minutes to calm your mind and relax your body. This can be done through simple breathing exercises or by closing your eyes and focusing on your breath. Deep, slow breathing helps to clear your mind of any unnecessary thoughts and brings you into the present moment. This relaxed state of mind is necessary because it allows your brain to focus more deeply on the visualization process. The more relaxed and centered you feel, the easier it will be to engage in vivid, focused visualization. In addition to relaxation, it's important to eliminate distractions. Make sure your phone is turned off and avoid any external noises that might take your attention away from the visualization. Even small distractions can break your focus and reduce the effectiveness of the process. You want your mind to be completely engaged in the visualization with no external factors pulling you away from the mental image you're creating. Another helpful tip is to visualize at a time when your mind is naturally more receptive, such as early in the morning or just before bedtime. These times are ideal because your brain is more relaxed, making it easier to concentrate on the mental images you want to create. But the most important thing is consistency, so choose a time that works best for you and stick to it throughout the 3-day process. By preparing your mind in this way, you're setting the stage for a powerful visualization session. The more focused and relaxed you are, the more effective your visualization will be. Once your mind is ready, you can move on to the core of the 3-day process, immersing yourself in the visualization of your desired outcome. Now that you've established a clear intention and prepared your mind, it's time to dive into the 3-step visualization process. This process is the heart of your 3-day journey, where each step is designed to deepen your focus and strengthen your belief in achieving your goal. Start by creating a vivid mental image of your desired outcome. Picture it in as much detail as possible. What does the achievement of your goal look like? If your goal is to improve your career, imagine yourself working in your ideal job environment. See yourself performing your job duties with skill and confidence. What does your office look like? Who are you interacting with? What are you achieving? During this step, it's important to use all of your senses. Try to hear the sounds that accompany your success, feel the emotions you'd experience, and even visualize specific details like the clothes you are wearing or the equipment you are using. The more detailed your visualization, the more real it feels to your brain, and the stronger your belief in the possibility of actualization becomes. The second step is to align your emotions with your visualization. It's not enough to just see what you want. You need to feel it as if it's already happening. This emotional connection is what fuels the manifestation process. Feel the joy, pride, or fulfillment that comes with achieving your goal. These emotions are powerful drivers that help turn your visualized desires into reality. They signal to your brain that this scenario is not just possible, but likely, thus encouraging your subconscious to adopt this belief and work towards making it a reality. Engage with your emotions deeply and allow them to fill you with confidence and anticipation. The final step in the visualization process is repetition. For the next 3 days, you will repeat this visualization process twice a day, once in the morning and once at night. Consistency is key here. Each session should be as vivid and emotionally charged as the first. With each repetition, you reinforce the image and emotions associated with your goal, embedding them deeper into your subconscious. This repetition helps to solidify your intentions and aligns your mindset and behaviors towards making your visualization a reality. On the first day of your 3-day visualization journey, focus on immersion. Today, your task is to fully immerse yourself in the detailed scenario you've created. Allow no room for doubt or distraction as you engage deeply with your visualization. It's normal to feel a bit uncertain or to have your mind wander during your first few sessions. This is just a sign that your mind is adjusting to this new practice. Use your first session to refine your imagery and emotions. Make sure that every detail is as clear and precise as possible. If you notice any vagueness in your visualization, pause and sharpen your image. Adjust and enhance every aspect of the scenario until it feels completely real to you. The goal for today is to establish a strong foundational image that you will build upon in the next 2 days. Your second session for the day should be a continuation of the morning's work. By the end of the day, you should feel more connected to your visualized outcome with a clearer picture and stronger emotional ties. The quality of your visualization impacts the effectiveness of the process, so commit fully to creating a compelling and comprehensive mental image of your success. While we conclude this exploration of the 3-day visualization process, remember that the essence of this practice is about more than just achieving specific goals. It's about understanding and utilizing the power of your mind to shape your world. Visualization is a profound tool that can help you enhance your creativity, improve your mental and emotional health, and transform your life. The journey of visualization is deeply personal and continuously evolving. What begins as a method for achieving specific goals can develop into a lifelong practice that enhances your understanding and interaction with the universe. Through visualization, you learn to align your thoughts, emotions, and energies with your deepest values and aspirations. It is important to approach visualization with patience and openness. Sometimes results may appear quickly, while other times they may unfold gradually as part of a larger journey of personal growth and discovery. Regardless of the pace or the path, the consistent practice of visualization promises a richer, more empowered experience of life. Your mind is a powerful creator. Each thought and visualization is a seed planted in the garden of your subconscious. Tend to this garden with care, nurture your visions with positivity and belief, and watch as the fruits of your labor blossom into reality. Accept the practice of visualization not just as a tool for manifestation, but as a pathway to a more conscious and intentional life. Stay committed to your vision, keep your intentions clear, and trust in the process. The power to create and transform your reality is within you. Visualization is merely a key to unlocking that power.